Hello, my name is Jeff. I will be helping you complete your Common Black College application. Please go to commonblackcollegeapp.com to start now. The first thing you want to do is click on Start Application to register. This will be your permanent CBCA account, so please be sure to enter your correct email address. Once you have registered, you will receive this message asking if you want to proceed. Click Yes. You will then receive a message saying that you have successfully registered. You are now in the student dashboard. Click on the blue Click Here link to complete and submit your application. The next few questions are asking for general information about you. In the high school section, there are a few important things to note. You will need to enter your high school CEEB code. That is a 6-digit number that every high school has. If you don't know your school CEB code, you can enter your high school in the drop-down menu to receive it. You will also need to know your school counselor's name and email address. This information is important because this is how your school counselor matches and uploads your transcript to your application. Please note, most of our member institutions will not accept unofficial or screenshots of your transcript that you have uploaded. In order to be considered official, your transcript must be uploaded to our system by your school counselor. This next step is critical. This is where you will select your top 4 and your CBCA schools of interest. Although your application is made available to all of the member institutions on the Common Black College application, many of the member institutions will not process your application if you do not select them in your top 4 or as a school of interest. This section is where you select your schools of interest. Although you can only select 4 schools as your top 4, you can select as many member institutions as you want as a school of interest. The next section is where you provide your family information. In the following section is where you will find any extra questions that are being asked of you by an individual member institution. In the last few sections, you certify your application and review it to be sure all of the information is correct. At this point, you can save your application or submit by making the $20 payment using PayPal. Once you have submitted your application, you can click on Application Details to upload your test scores and unofficial transcript. We encourage you to check your CBCA dashboard at least 3 to 4 times a week to see if any member institutions have taken any action on your application and to get the most recent updates from the CBCA team. Congratulations, you have now successfully completed your Common Black College application and made it available to our member institutions. Thank you and get educated.